If I had to start from scratch today with no followers, no money, no fancy tools or softwares, no team, and I had just a laptop and internet, here's exactly how I would make my first $1,000 using digital products every month without ads, courses, and no fluff. Let's get into it. This would include just one product, one simple system, and a real problem to solve. And I say this not as a theory, but because it's exactly what I've done and it's exactly what we do at Sunday Subs Club. Most people online want money that doesn't suck the life out of them. They always look for that work life balance, but it's never there to be found. But what do they do? What exactly are they doing that's making them feel this way? Freelancing, which is trading time for money, coaching, it's great but not scalable. We do this as an upsell, but there's no more scaling of that. Dropshipping, which is customer support hell, and digital products are just different. They let you create once and sell forever and as you sleep. And the best part is you do not need a course or a personal brand. You just need a solution someone's willing to pay for. There are ways to find out how to do that, which is also mentioned in one of my courses. But here's the game that I would follow to hit $1,000 a month within 30 days using justsystems.io, which I actually use now to run all my funnels and all my digital products. Step one, pick a clear problem that I can solve. This could be how to plan content for 30 days an hour, um, how to schedule posts online, how to cold DM clients and book calls, how to design your brand identity in 2 days. Pick something you've already done for yourself or for others, something that you can easily teach, right? Something that you know on the top of the head. It's a simple skill. Step two, and you don't need to be an expert. Step two, build a tiny offer. Not a full blown course, not a 40-minute course, just a 30-minute video, a PDF guide, a Notion system, something people can consume under 1 hour and get a result or get close to result. Step number three is host it on system.io. This is where I upload all the products, set up the checkout page, email automation, even upsells. Everything is done on system.io. I used to jump across 3 to 4 different tools. Now I just system.io because it's just very simple to use and very efficient when it comes to doing everything under one umbrella. So now let's talk about sales because just building a product is not enough. You need traffic, you need people to see and experience your product. Here's how I would get my first 10 to 50 sales. One, create 3 to 5 short form videos. Each one should be answering a common question or exposing a problem your product solves. Okay. Um, Let me give you an example. Why your content is not converting and how to fix it in 15 minutes. Right? That could be a hook. That could be a video idea. And then I'd break this down in 30-minute guide, common guide, and I'll DM it to you. Number two, use system.io email funnel. Once they download or buy, I would use email automations inside system.io, nurture those same people because they're already interested in what you're selling. You upsell them and you educate them. This is where most creators leave money on the table. They don't even think about it. Now, part four is why would you trust me? I've done this with simple products that took me 1 to 2 days to create. No studio, no perfect edits, just valuable frameworks I use daily. I just shoot it here on my Loom. I've sold plug and play pitch decks. I've sold uh, PDFs for literally $7, and all through system.io. I used to figure out Gumroad and everything earlier, but now system.io just saves my time. Now it runs even when I'm offline. That's the whole point why I started this. This system isn't built for hype, it's literally to scale. It literally gives you that freedom. But I don't have an audience, you would ask. You don't need one. You need visibility. One good reel or a carousel with the right CTA can drive traffic for weeks. You can put it on ads. You would say, I'm not an expert. If you've done something once, you know more than than the person who hasn't even started. That's all it takes to sell clarity. If I'm using this phone right now, right? If I'm using this phone to make a video of myself, I could teach that to other people. But I don't want to be salesy. Selling a product that genuinely helps people is not salesy, it's a service. People are already paying for help. Why not from you? If I were starting again today, here's the 7-day plan I would follow. And make sure you note this down or just take screenshots or whatever. First 2 days, I would identify a clear problem and solution that people are looking for and what you can really build. Day 3 to 4, you build the product in Notion or a Google Doc or a PDF. You create whatever you can. A video is better. Day 5, you upload it to system.io, create a landing page and a checkout page. That is it. Day number 6, you record a few reels. I would suggest 5, 7 reels and a few carousels. And the last day, which is the launch day, DM people, start posting content, repeat it. Just keep repeating it, and you will start seeing results. Once it's live, you don't have to rebuild it. You can scale it, upsell it, automate it, improve it. All of that together in one place. If you've been thinking about creating digital products, but you're stuck in overwhelm, this is your sign to simplify. Do not overcomplicate it. I say it over and over again. Do not overcomplicate it. Solve one problem, build one product, sell it with one system. That's it. See you in the next one.